Welcome back, Unicorn Tribe. It's me, Angelina Mi Lajki, creative unicorn, dopamine artist, AI whisperer, interactive storyteller, brand builder, and alter ego muse cloned. I don't just make things. I hatch worlds, dress ideas in glitter, and whisper to AI until it spills rainbows. One moment, it's a one-of-a-kind hat. The next, it's a brand identity with a secret personality, or a creepy cute creature crawling out of Dr. Albino's lab. My playground is where fashion flirts with storytelling, brands grow alter egos, and pop-ups transform into portals. And today, I want to talk about something that gets a seriously bad rap: vanity. The word itself comes with a side eye. Vanity, I'm shallow, egotistical, obsessed with appearances. But let me ask you this. Is it really insanity to care about how you look? Or could it actually be a form of radical self-love? A way of showing up in alignment with your inner magic? Because here's the truth. When I lost everything, my marriage, my business, my identity, vanity wasn't the villain. It was the spark that reminded me, you're still here, you're still worthy, and you still get to be seen. This episode is about reclaiming that spark. Vanity, visibility, selfies, filters, flaws, AI, ageism, authenticity, all the things society tells us to hide or downplay, and flipping them into fucking superpowers. So grab your mirror, grab your sparkle lipstick, grab your selfie stick if you still own one. Hey, no judgment. Let's find out why vanity might just be your secret weapon to unleash your creative superpower.